How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can customize your fan colors on iCUE. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you're using the fan hub controller for your fans, because with this device right here, it will be able to connect with some software, including the iCUE for Crosshair. From there, just open up the iCUE software, and then you want to simply click on the command core XT, which is going to look something like this. Now from there, just click on the run wizard to start. It will then install some additional drivers, making sure that we are able to customize our fans the way we want to. And from there, you will be able to adjust the orientation or the layout of your fans. So for example, if this specific fan right here is in the front, you then want to drag this on where you want to place this. For example, you can then hold click on this specific fan and you can place it right here. You can simply do that easily by just clicking and dragging it all over the layout that we have right here. Now, it's really easy once you have laid out your fan, which will look something like this. Basically, just click on the lighting layers. From here, you can customize or add additional lighting layers if you want to. In our case, for this specific setup right here, we only have the white and red setup, which enable us to customize it this way, which is going to be the white color for our fan number 1, the red color for our number 2, so on and so forth. Basically, in here, you can customize something like static color, some solid color, gradient if you want to, ripple, wave, and more. You just want to navigate through the button controls and you will be able to customize it depending on your style. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.